Okay, our topic today would be to reconcile the input and output. How is it determined, no? From the micro standpoint, we are referring to the prices of input in equilibrium sa output, no? In other words, we are reconciling the owners of the input of production and the consequent output determination. The formula here is taken from the equimarginal principle, which is equal to marginal productivity of labor. If labor is the input divided by price of labor equal to marginal productivity of capital divided by price of capital, and so on and so forth. So this is equimarginal principle. Here given ang price of labor, which is 2, and price of capital, which is 3. Price of capital is given also, which is 6, and budget is 1,000. And our production function is the Cobb-Douglas, no? Suppose we have 1.01, labor 0.55, and capital 0.45. The exponent are actually the sensitiveness of both inputs to the output. Then kung ano mo ang iyang first derivative, okay, derivative of labor, this function with respect to labor, therefore capital is constant, that is equivalent to 55k raised to the power 0.5 or 0.45 divided by labor 0.45. Take note mo na siya nga value 0.45, they must be equal. And then derivative of this function with respect to k, therefore labor is constant, so that is 0.45L raised to the power 0.55 over k 0.55. Alright, and then simplify further, you will have this 0.55k to the power of 0.45 divided by labor to the power of 0.45 multiplied by k raised to the power of 0.55 divided by 0.45 labor to the power of 55. The value of k is 75 using this example. The value of capital is 75, and the value of labor is 274.9568. Of course, madagan imong mapalit sa labor, di barato man siya. 2 pesos or 1 peso, whereas ang capital, the price is, butan lang per man hour. The price is ano. So you notice nga kining derivative dari, kining derivative din ato lang sa hindi expose ang value dari k o ang capital, ang labor, and then kuha itong ratio. So pareha na sila, no? This one and this one are equal. Okay, this one and this one are equal, 0.547, 0.1547. This is what we call equimarginal principle, wherein both productivity of labor and capital, regardless of no matter what the price is, they must be equal. Muna kitawag ni mo economic equilibrium. So ang mga tag-iya sa labor or capital has been paid accordingly, and output are the same, no? 0.1547, they are the same for both labor and capital. Muna itong equilibrium, no? Kung tanaw ni mo dira equimarginal principle, equi means equal, marginal principle means ang ratio sa productivity of each input with respect to their prices should be equal. If they are not equal, they don't have this equilibrium, no? doon ay disequilibrium. So that is how we do it.